Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Midweek can be hectic and sometimes we just need a little reset to feel refreshed and rejuvenated. So today I'm taking you through my ultimate self-care routine because we all deserve a little me time. Starting with my hair care, firstly, I'm gonna focus on my scalp care because recently I was dealing with a lot of hair issues like hair fall, breakage, and frizz. So I have started using this product from Apple Therapeutic. It's their Earwings Hair Pro Growth Conditioning Serum. This serum is designed to not only prevent hair loss but also strengthen the hair follicles and promote new hair growth. I simply apply this serum onto my scalp and even on my hair length for extra nourishment. The best part, you don't even need to wash your hair after using this product and you are free to style your hair accordingly. It's super lightweight and absorbs easily, plus it's also dermatologically tested. Next, it's time to remove my facial hair. I'm using this Wellness Shop turmeric powder wax, but instead of water, I'm mixing it with raw milk for extra nourishment. Turmeric is great for brightening the skin and reducing inflammation, making it a perfect natural hair removal method. I'll apply a thick layer onto my face and let it dry for about 10 minutes. Once it's completely dry, I'll gently rub it off in circular motions, which not only remove the hair but also exfoliate the skin, leaving it soft and glowing. Now let's move on to the brows. I like to shape them using the wax strips because they make the process quick and easy. I place the strip, press it down firmly and pull it off. For any strays hair left behind, I go in with a plucker to give my brows a clean and polished look. Perfectly shaped brows really frame the face and make such a difference. Now that my face is sorted, let's take care of my hands. I just love using this mini manicure kit to cut, trim and file my nails. Now onto my shower routine. I always start by cleansing my skin and my go-to product is this Juicy Chemistry Potato, Tomato and Lemongrass Bar Soap. This soap is packed with natural ingredients that brighten the skin and deeply cleanses it without stripping away the natural oil. Potato and tomato extracts help even out my skin tone while the lemongrass gives a refreshing feel, plus it smells so fresh. I just love how gentle and effective this soap is, perfect for daily use, especially if you want your skin to feel smooth and rejuvenated. Next, to exfoliate, I use the Nature for Nature Detan Body Scrub, which is amazing for removing all the dead skin cells and brightening dull skin. It has a gentle exfoliating particles that are not too harsh. I just love how it helps me tan and give my skin a healthy and radiant glow. I always focus more on areas like elbows and knees since they tend to get darker. Exfoliating regularly makes such a difference in keeping my skin soft and even toned. Next, I go in with the hydrating body wash to cleanse and nourish my skin. And I'm obsessed with the Love Beauty and Planet Coffee and Vanilla Body Wash. The scent is heavenly. The warm vanilla mixed with energizing coffee is the perfect combination. This body wash not only smells amazing but also leaves my skin feeling soft, smooth and hydrated. It's definitely one of my favorites. I never skip body oil, so here I'm using the Plum Body Lovin' Vanilla Vibe Body Oil, which gives my skin the ultimate nourishment and glow. It's lightweight yet deeply hydrating. It absorbs beautifully into the skin without feeling greasy. After my shower, I use the Bare Bar Vanilla Rose Underarm Deodorant, which keeps me fresh all day. It has a beautiful floral scent and is super gentle on the skin. Next, I slather on the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion all over my body to keep my skin hydrated. It's also lightweight, non-greasy, and perfect for everyday use. Lastly, a little spread of Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla Body Mist to smells amazing. This warm, sweet vanilla scent is absolutely my favorite. Now, on to my favorite part, which is skincare. Firstly, I'm using this Elim by Japanese Soothing Toner, which is amazing for calming the skin. It has a very lightweight, water-like texture and feels super refreshing on the skin. It helps balance my skin's pH level and gives an instant boost of hydration. Then I'll go in with the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Toner. This is one of my absolute favorite because it's packed with antioxidants and also deeply hydrate the skin. I just love using 2 layers of toners for extra nourishment in winter especially. It just leaves my skin plump and dewy all day. Next, I'm using the Skin 1004 Centella Ampule. This one is perfect for soothing irritation, reducing redness and strengthening the skin barrier. Centella is a holy grail ingredient for calming sensitive skin and it makes the skin feel so nourished and balanced. Plus, I have removed my facial hair, so it will really help calm down my skin. Next, I'm applying the Individual Bakuchill Face Serum, a natural, gentler alternative of retinol that helps with anti-aging and skin renewal. This serum not only improves the skin texture but also reduces fine lines and gives a healthy glow without irritation. If you have sensitive skin but want anti-aging benefits, this is a must try. Now, on to my favorite step, using this Pro Touch LED facelift device. It helps firm the skin, improve elasticity and enhance the absorption of my skincare product. It also helps lift and sculpt my face while relaxing the muscles. It's like a mini spa at home treatment. Then I seal everything in with the Cosrx Advanced Nail 96 Mucin. It's my secret for intense hydration and a glass-like glow. It's basically a multi-purpose product, like you can use it on your eyes and lips as well. Finishing with the Chemistet Play Tinted Lip Balm in the shade Peach. It gives the perfect tint of color while keeping my lips soft and hydrated. So that was it for today's video. If you guys have enjoyed it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.